Hey, this is Amity calling from JustAnswer on the GMC.
Yes.
Tell me what's going on.
He said the belt came off the pulley.
Okay.
He could not steer it. He barely made it into the driveway.
And what's your question for me? How can I help?
Well, they said you could come to the house. I wondered how much it cost.
Oh, I got you. So this is a question and answer website, right? We don't come out and fix the vehicle, but I can certainly recommend a service that would come out and do this for you.
Do it.
All right. So I'm going to go ahead and send you a reply in chat. And the very first link is going to be, it's called yourmechanic.com. And they're a mobile mechanic service. You can click on that link and then head over to their website and give them a call. And then another link I'm going to send you is called repairpal.com. You can click on that link and it'll recommend repair shops in your area. You just got to enter your zip code. It'll recommend a bunch of shops in your area. All right, give me a few minutes. I'll send it right over. All right, thanks.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Hang up?
Yep, hang up and then just wait for my reply. I'll send it right over.
Thank you.
You bet.